Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make a simple baked ziti. I have a pot of water on to boil for the pasta. Get the skillet going for my meat. Now the recipe I have calls for ground Italian sausage, but I've opted for using ground turkey. This is Italian style ground turkey, which means it has rosemary extract in it. So I'll be seasoning this as well. And I chose to use the ground turkey mostly because it's half the price of the Italian sausage. So I'm going to get this started and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a pinch of nutmeg, and about a tablespoon of fennel seed to this. And while it's frying up, I'm going to get other things ready. So I'll be back. Okay, my meat is browned. My water's boiling. So I'm going to add a box of penne pasta to the water. quick stir. Get that cooking. I'm going to add a can of diced tomatoes and a can of tomato sauce to the meat. Got the heat turned down. Now I'm going to let that cook for a little while. Just a stir to make sure it doesn't stick. And now we're going to get on with making the ricotta that goes with it. Okay, I'm set up to make my ricotta. In the bowl I have about 12 ounces of frozen, thawed, or should I say thawed, frozen spinach that I've squeezed the excess moisture out of. And I add spinach because it adds a little bit of, it adds some vegetable matter to it. Makes it a little bit more nutritious. Doesn't really have that much of a taste. And I have a large container of ricotta here. It's probably too much, but I can save any excess for a future recipe. Alright, that's got that incorporated pretty good. I'm going to add a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and maybe a little more, to my ricotta. And about a half a cup of mozzarella, shredded mozzarella. Give that a stir. Get my baking dish ready. And right now we're waiting for the penne to cook. So I'll be back when that's cooked and drained and ready to go. Okay, I've got my oven preheating to 350. Now I'm going to start assembling. So in the bottom of my baking dish, I'm gonna put some sauce. And the rest of the sauce I'm going to pour into my drained pasta. Oh me. Now I'm going to take some of the ricotta mixture and place little spoonfuls of it in the bottom of my dish. Yeah, I could have used a smaller container of ricotta, but that's all right. I can use the remainder for something else. Now I'm going to spoon my noodles and sauce. Ooh, that's it, make a mess. That's hot. And once my baking dish is filled, I'm going to sprinkle some mozzarella over the top. Place this into my preheated oven and allow it to bake for 30 minutes. and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, I'm back, and here is my baked ziti. It's harder. There we go. I'm going to dig in here, pull some of this goodness up out of it. And give it a little taste. It's hot. Yes. Very good. So hopefully you enjoyed this recipe and you'll give it a try. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.